today we're watching Try Not to Laugh. This is the funniest cat videos that'll make you laugh. Let's go.
Mom.
Right, you can't laugh. Okay. Okay, are you okay? I don't think that cat's okay. It wasn't a laugh, it's just a... Got a bit of a cough now. Whoa. What even was that? I will not laugh. No. Don't do it. I got like 5 lives, let's say. And when I lose all of them, I end the video. That wasn't a laugh. What even happened there, anyways? Whoa. Okay, that cat's dead. That cat is overly dead. What is that? Is that another cat? I don't even know. Oh God, I've heard about this. Everyone's on about this. That's how me all the time.
What are you doing?
I don't even know. No, don't fall. Don't fall! Oh, no. I'll grab you out of the screen. Oh, my cat does that all the time. Goes on the computer. Okay.
Jacob, look. This is what Ukraine looks like.
I know. You will not make me laugh. Oh no! Oh no! You can't laugh at that. No, you can't. Oh come on! My cat does that all the time. It can be funny, but I feel bad as well. 4 lives. That's my cat all the time. Okay. So mad. It's like I'm out. He's like, no, I'm not doing that. That ain't funny. It's so embarrassing. Okay. Parrot, cat. What are you gonna do? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Why? Why? Come here, crazy.
I've got 4 lives.
You alright? Come here. You're good. No claws. Rude. You ought to bite
Oh
that
no, he's
cat.
gonna fall off, right? Is he? He's gonna fall off. Oh, never mind.
Really, cat. Seriously.
the hell? You can't do that. No. Oh, I feel bad. No. Don't laugh.
It's gonna fall too. That shows it's not.
You're doing pretty good, dude. We need to collect 7 deadly notebooks. But apparently Baldy has accidentally attached himself to the wrong CTV machine. And basically, if we answer a question wrong, he's gonna have
I tell you, this video will make you want to get a cat.
Don't get a question wrong, or Baldy dies. I'm gonna try my best, Baldy, but I think you're gonna have kind of a bad day. Let's go into the first classroom. We can answer
2 lives, and we ain't even got like 5 minutes into the video. Now we have. That's not even half. Maybe not even a quarter.
This is terrible, Baldy. How could
No, cats. Be very careful. It's 1 life already.
I'll do my best, Baldy, but
I will not laugh.
question that is impossible to answer correctly.
I will not
You
laugh.
8 plus 6 is 11. We got that. 3 plus 7, 10. All day. Give me that. Give me those easy math problems all day, every day. I got you. 5 minus 9, -4. Wow. You would say
Well, I didn't even realise a cat was on there. I thought she was gonna like fall off or something. But look, it's there. It's there. Look, little cat.
terrified us and terrorized us. I don't want to kill you. I mean,
Come on, Smoke. You gotta get out of my pants. Come on,
misunderstood.
get out of there.
Let's go to the next notebook.
Smokey,
And like I said,
get out of my
this
pants.
is,
Come on.
typical Baldy's basement.
Smokey,
Honestly, they
come on,
couldn't
get
care.
out of
It's a
there.
question that is going to be impossible to answer correctly. So you know what
That's my cat all the time.
Baldy said it himself. 4 minus 7, -3. Gotcha. 3 plus 1, 4. That's right. What do you expect me to do, Baldy? You're gonna die. You're gonna... I mean... I have to answer the question. There's no alternative. I could close down the game, shut off the
Joking.
video,
No.
just walk away. I mean, I could do... You know what? Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Bye. No, we have to answer
Oh, this is meant to be cat videos. Don't know why they ain't.
might be impossible, but maybe we know the answer. I don't know. I mean, there is a number out there that maybe I haven't tried before, like 12. Let's do it.
Hello, darling. Nice website. Time
Oh my
to get a
gosh,
domain to
okay.
match. Relax.
Baldy?
Yeah, literally just cat videos.
Baldy? I don't hear ruler slaps. I hear playtime. Baldy? 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 Seriously dead? Baldy?
No. No, don't do it!
Baldy? Listen, man, I'm... Wait a second. We gotta go into the detention room. It looks like we got some eulogies. Some Baldy eulogies in here. No killing Baldy in the
What?
halls. Ooh, my bad. I will avenge Baldy by sweeping you to death, player. Dang, dude. I'm sorry. It's not my fault that I got an impossible question to answer. First prize. It's really sad because he doesn't know that Baldy's dead. Oh, first prize. It's like a dog who hasn't realized that his owner has passed away. Arts and Crafts are sad and mad that you killed Baldy. It was an accident. You guys forced
Oh,
my
no.
hands. You're so angry and sad at the same time. Those are two very scary emotions. Playtime. I'm sad because you killed Baldy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Oh man, these guys are really getting me. This is what Bully thinks of things here at your school. We believe everything.
What are you doing?
Bully, that's why we
Whoa,
have
whoa,
this
whoa.
Get him, Oak.
He just doesn't care. He has nothing to say. He's just gonna keep on bullying. Alright, Bully, you do your thing. Also, can't help but notice, Rick and Baldy,
I don't even care if you tear up.
I'm gonna try to look at the silver lining here. Yes, we've killed Baldy, and everybody at the school is
You got me.
sad.
our lives. Oh my god, I can't believe I lost that easy.